Kimbap is a popular Korean dish that has gained worldwide recognition. It is a type of sushi roll that is made with cooked rice, vegetables, meat, and seafood, all rolled up in a sheet of seaweed. In this video, we'll explore the history of kimbap and its health benefits. Kimbap has a long history in Korea, dating back to the Goryeo dynasty. The dish was originally called boksum and was made with rice, meat, and vegetables. During the Joseon dynasty, 1392 to 1910, kimbap evolved and became more popular as a street food. In the 20th century, kimbap became a staple food in Korea and was commonly sold in convenience stores and restaurants. With the rise of Korean pop culture in the 21st century, kimbap has gained international popularity and can now be found in many Korean restaurants all over the world. Kimbap is not only delicious but also has many health benefits. Here are some of them. Nutritious. Kimbap is a well-balanced meal that contains rice, vegetables, and protein. Rice is a good source of carbohydrates, while vegetables provide fiber and vitamins. Protein from meat or seafood helps to keep you feeling full for longer. Low in fat. Kimbap is typically low in fat, especially if you choose a vegetarian or seafood option. This makes it a good choice for those who are watching their weight or trying to maintain a healthy diet. Good source of seaweed. Kimbap is wrapped in seaweed, which is a good source of iodine, calcium, and other minerals. Seaweed also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a great addition to your diet. Portable and convenient. Kimbap is a perfect on-the-go meal that you can take with you anywhere. It's easy to eat with your hands and doesn't require utensils, making it a great option for a quick lunch or snack. Helps with digestion. Kimbap contains a variety of vegetables and fiber, which helps to regulate digestion. Seaweed is also known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract and prevent constipation. In conclusion, kimbap is a delicious and healthy Korean dish that has a long history and is enjoyed by people all over the world. It's a great source of nutrition, low in fat, and provides many health benefits, making it a perfect addition to your diet. So, the next time you're looking for a quick and tasty meal, give kimbap a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.